What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a crazy one for you guys today. Going to pick up some new wheels. I'm super hyped. I've been waiting for these for a minute. You guys stick around. I can't wait to check them out. Can't wait to show you guys. See you guys in a sec. Just got the wheels mounted at the tire shop. And a bunch of Hispanic guys are super cool, really good at what they do. When they brought the wheels out, because I just brought the fronts to get those swapped out. I already have the rears mounted, but I needed to make some adjustments on the front, so I picked up some different tires, slightly different size. After they mounted the tires, a couple of the guys came out. They were like, yo, what are these going on? I told them it was just a little BMW, nothing crazy. But I'm so hyped. It's gonna look so good. We get these thrown on the car, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Wow. Yeah, those look really good. Super excited. All right, boys. We did it. Wheels are on. They look fantastic. I'm super hyped. One step closer to being ready for GAT. Check these wheels out. All right, guys, so we went with the Koenigs. We got a staggered setup. We got 18 8.5s in the front. In the rear, we got 18 9.5s. It's a bit aggressive for such a narrow chassis, but I think we're making it work. So fitment's not perfect right now. Still got to get the rear dialed in. The rear is still at full height. So gonna get with the homie this weekend. He's gonna hook me up and just try to help me get this fitment dialed in. I don't know how I feel about the tire size in the rear. You guys gotta let me know what y'all think about the fitment, but I do have other tires that are a slightly different size for the rear. But at this point, I'm super hyped on it. These wheels are actually these are a newer design by Koenig. I scoured the internet, could not find a car with these wheels on it. Normally, I'm not a polished lip guy, but I think it works on these, and I think it helps that the contrast is subtle between the face of the wheel and the lips. The lips also match the tips. So a little bit of coordination going on here. I've taken the car out to a couple of local places, not like events or anything, but she's been getting so much love, man. It's been awesome. And as I told you guys in the last video, I bought the car with a bent rear wheel, and I wasn't really able to drive the car like I wanted to. But now that she's got some straight wheels on her, she's fully aligned, got a bunch of the little problems fixed, and I'm actually able to drive the car. This thing is quick. I see why people love the N54 platform. This thing is a good time. Spicy, feels mechanical. I can't wait to take you guys on a test drive, but that may be the next video. I picked up a new camera, and I'll be trying it out on the next video. I'm still trying to get a couple elements of it dialed in. But I'm really hoping that new camera will help me, get some different angles for you guys and some different point of views, and just help us all to enjoy it from a different perspective, as well as just be able to capture, our environments. But yeah, I think she's gonna be GAT ready soon. I'm a little bit nervous about driving it down. It's a long drive with a new to me older car. I've taken the Supra down a couple years, and of course she does good because she was brand new, but this will be interesting. I'm super excited to take you guys on the journey.